Welcome back to Sunrise. With me now, joining is the Gelbvieh Association, Mr. Myron Edelman and Megan Slater. How are you this morning?
Doing well. Thanks for having us, Landry.
Let's talk about the balancers. I know when you hear Gelbvieh, you hear Gelbvieh and Gelbvieh balancers. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so actually the balancer is a solution for crossbreeding. So it makes it for an easy and simple crossbreeding program. It's our Gelbvieh and Angus composite, and they work very well in a commercial setting. They perform very well in a cow-calf operation as well as on the rail too. And Gelbvieh and balancer both offer very maternal benefits. So you're going to see earlier puberty by those females, and then a smaller mature cow size and more pounds per calf wean per cow exposed.
Very good. And Myron, tell me a little bit about what's new in the Gelbvieh breed.
Yeah, so Gelbvieh's really making some progressions. We're really using this crossbreeding program that we have. We offer more tools now to ranchers than we ever have before. We are just initiating a new program called Smart Select Service. Okay, and so what that is going to be is a tool for ranchers to not only manage their herd, their cows, their information, everything from vaccinations to breeding programs, but it's also, with that information, we're going to take that and provide genetic tools for those ranchers for the selection process. So help them select their replacement females at home, help them provide information to feeders and packers so that they can make good decisions when they're buying cattle through the rest of the supply chain as well too.
And what's the Gelbvieh doing for the commercial producers?
Well, that's one of the main things that we're doing, between offering the planned crossbreeding programs that we have, the information systems that we have through the Gelbvieh Association for our producers. We think that, that information combined with that balancer animal and that Gelbvieh animal is really going to work for these ranchers too.
Let's talk a little bit more, go more into depth about the strengths that Gelbvieh brings to the table.
Sure. So Gelbvieh is a maternal breed. They have been known for that since they were imported into the United States in '71, and so Gelbvieh adds longevity to the cow herd. They really do. A lot of our producers, we hear them talk about that they have 13, 14-year-old Gelbvieh cows that are still productive and still leading their herds. Their fertility is very much a strength in the Gelbvieh breed. And what's really interesting, our friends at the Meat Animal Research Center say that we're also one of the breeds that offers the most growth of all the continental breeds in the United States.
Very good. And tell me, the advantages you see to having a booth here at, our summer auctions.
Well, this is one of the places that we need to be. Superior has been a long-time partner for me throughout the years, and now we're bringing the Gelbvieh breed in to be partners with Superior, and we look forward to that. We not only have a presence here at the feeder calf sales this summer, but we're also a very proud sponsor of the female select sales that you guys sponsor, that you guys have in the fall and November and December.
Well, very good. Well, I want to thank you both for joining me this morning. And folks, when we come back, another special guest. Stay with us.